Thank you for joining us for the news at noon. I'm Teo Torres. Right now, heavy snow is hitting the Sierra and rain really coming down in the valley. This is just the start of our very latest system. We have live looks for you here at Interstate 80. This is near Castle Peak, Lake Tahoe, Sacramento, Fairfield, and of course our Doppler radar. You can see visibility is very low with all the snow in the air right now. National Weather Service has put a blizzard warning in place for the Sierra, but we want to give you some context with that. A blizzard means wind or frequent gusts up to 35 miles an hour or more and falling snow expected to last for a period of 3 hours or longer. It has more to do with the wind blowing the snow around in a way that makes it difficult to see, and not necessarily that it is snowing at a great rate, but it is coming down. We've been getting some great video too and pictures of snow in the foothills. Take a look at this. These were sent in by KCRA3 viewers today. A video here of Sonora, Columbia, and the town of Paradise. A lot of snow. We have team coverage for you today. KCRA3's Brittany Hope is in the Sierra with the snow, with the very latest conditions there. But first, we do want to get right to KCRA3 meteorologist Eileen Javora. And Eileen, we've been seeing some really steady snow, as we've been saying, in the Sierra.
Yeah, we got a little break this morning, but now it has really filled in. It has turned heavy, and visibility is very low this going into this afternoon. And that is why I-80 right now at Applegate is shut down going over the summit because of the reduced visibility. Right now, we've got the snow continuing to come down, even at fairly low elevations, below 2,000 feet, even some snowflakes falling. So you can see the stretch over 80, all of that snow. And again, it is blowing around up towards Donner's Summit. Again, visibility is reduced below a quarter mile. And even on Highway 50 now getting some really heavy snow at times. Let me zoom you in right now. Grass Valley, Nevada City, underneath that good snow currently. Colfax as well. And even reports of some flakes getting maybe mixed in near Auburn. At this point, Doppler radar shows all rain, but look at the snow beginning to pile up now again near Georgetown, Forest Hill. Highway 50 right now, it's snowing in Camino, Pollock Pines, and even into downtown Placerville. Let me show you what it looks like right now. The snowflakes are falling. This is below 2,000 feet, just below that. The pavement is wet, but the snow continues to come down. We're starting to see it collect, at least on the grassy surfaces and on the side of the road. So how much can we expect today and tomorrow with all that snow? Well, at 6,000 feet just today, a foot and a half of snow could be around 2 feet, 24 inches at 7,000 feet, 8 to 10 inches at least around 4,000 feet, and even at 2,500 feet, 3 to 6 inches today. Now tomorrow that snow level might creep down again, 1,500 to 1,800 feet with minor accumulations at that level. But look at the snow totals just tomorrow, a foot and a half to 2 feet at 6,000 feet, at 7,000 feet. We could be talking 2 to 3 feet of snow just tomorrow. 4,000 feet, again, Pollock Pines about a foot and a half of snow coming in tomorrow after today's snow, and even more accumulations again at 2,500 feet. So there is going to be a lot of snow, Teo, piling up in the days ahead.
Boy, certainly looks that way. All right, Eileen, thank you. And again, a lot of you have been helping us tell the weather story today. These are pictures from across the area sent in by viewers. Nevada City, Pollock Pines, Camino, Clear Lake, Garden Valley, and Blue Lake Springs. Very similar shots here. You can see there's a thick blanket of snow there piling up on the road, on the ground, on top of cars, trees, you name it. Well, in the Sierra, travel is not advised. As a matter of fact, Interstate 80 is closed right now. Let's go to Brittany Hope. She is live up there. You're by Applegate, we understand, just off Interstate 80, and it is still closed right now?
Yes, Teo, that is the case. And I have to tell you, actually, in the last few minutes, the snow started falling a lot harder out here and the wind started kicking up too. Actually, right in the direction where it's kind of blowing in your face right now. But I really love snow coverage, so I'm actually getting a kick out of this. Yeah, we're standing right on I-80 right now in a safe area to the side here with Caltrans. I want you to see these whiteout conditions. So take a look. You can't even see it, but I promise you in the distance, less than a fourth a mile away, is the Applegate Bridge, the overhang here over the interstate. You can't even see it, and we're at a lower elevation here, so you can only imagine what's going on at those higher elevations. A big shout out to Caltrans, who we know is working around the clock right now, just like these snowplows, to open the road back up. But again, if you don't have to travel into the Sierra, you don't want to, and right now you can't, because Caltrans has totally shut it down here at Applegate. Again, a huge shout out to these guys for letting us stand here with them off of the road. These traffic backups are going on for miles right now. So Jimmy, our photojournalist, just is going to rotate the camera around. Luckily, visibility is fair enough where you can see about a 1/4 mile in the distance, but there is not any moving. A lot of people have been camped out here for a while, and they're just waiting on the roadway just to get turned around where they came from. So just a reminder, if you're someone who needs to head in or out of the Sierra today, right now it is just not going to happen. Again, snow this heavy is coming down at lower elevations, you know, up at the summits and the peaks. It is just even worse out there. Now, we did just talk to CHP, and they said, yeah, they're seeing a lot of snow even more west of here at lower elevations. So we asked, do you know when this is going to open up? At this time, they don't. They just said it is not safe because of those whiteout conditions. So that's why we're standing here at the closure to remind you, do not travel today if you can't, because you're not going to get anywhere. For now, we are live at Applegate. Brittany Hope, KCRA 3 News.
Oh boy, all right, bundle up, Brittany. Thank you so much for the coverage. Well, from the snow in the Sierra to rain coming down hard in the valley. This is a live look here at Stockton. You can barely see because the lens air covered with raindrops. Let's go back to meteorologist Eileen Javor, and it's quite a system.
Yeah, good rain coming into Stockton right now. This is what came through Sacramento at around 10, 11 o'clock this morning. We got some pretty good rain falling and some very gusty winds that have mixed in. We're going to see more waves of rain like this in the next 24 to 48 hours. Let me show you a closer look at Doppler radar right now. And again, that's going up to the higher elevations where we have that snow. And back down here in the valley, again, that rain coming into Stockton right now looking pretty good. Highway 12, Highway 4 getting soaked down. Some of this on the heavier side. And again, this is pushing all east into Stockton and Manteca along Tracy. The drive here very wet. And we have seen a little bit of a break in downtown with some raindrops, but there's another line developing just to the north, and we might even see a peak or two of sun as we get into the afternoon. Can't rule that out. When that happens in this kind of cold system, we might see a couple of thunderstorms blossom this afternoon. Right now, the gusts of wind are still approaching 33 miles an hour up towards Yuba City. We have seen gusts around 40 to 45 miles an hour up towards Marysville this morning, but I think the winds will be diminishing as we get into the afternoon. So look at the heavy snow continuing this afternoon. These are the pop-up showers and storms that are in our forecast still for the valley going into this afternoon. We get a break somewhat in the valley and even better visibility, but still snowing in the Sierra overnight. It's not going to stop. Then tomorrow we've got another wave, and this one could even bring lower snow levels and more rain for the valley. We're going to be timing that out for your Tuesday forecast coming up.
All right, Eileen, thank you. And be sure to share your weather photos and video with us as well. You can download the KCRA 3 app, click the Upload tab to send those photos. Very easy. Also in the app, you can turn on alerts to get severe weather information sent right to your cell phone.